We will now be looking at the posterior chest wall.
Begin the exam with inspection of the posterior chest wall. Assess for respiration. Check for any chest wall deformities, any spinal abnormalities, or any scars. Assess for any chest wall tenderness.
Any pain?
No, I don't have any pain.
Assess for chest wall expansion.
Cross your arms.
Ask the patient to put their hands across the chest wall and lean forward.
Deep
This
breath in
pushes
and
the
out.
scapula away from the chest.
Say 8-8.
Assess for tactile fremitus.
8,
Increased tactile fremitus is seen in consolidation. It's reduced in pneumothorax.
8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8.
Pass the chest. Put your right middle finger firmly across the intercostal spaces, striking the middle phalanx, and move sequentially across the chest. The normal percussive note is resonant. Dull percussive note is seen in lung pathologies such as lung collapse and pneumonectomies. Tony dullness is seen in pleural effusion. Auscultate the chest. Assess the character of breath sounds and any additional sounds. The normal chest has vesicular breath sounds. Additional sounds include rhonchi in asthma. Bronchial breath sound is a high-pitched sound with a blowing quality that is heard usually over the trachea. It's heard in lung consolidation. Assess whether there are any crackles. This will be early or late inspiratory crackles. Complete the
Say
exam
8-8.
by assessing for vocal fremitus.
8, 8.
This should have similar findings as tactile fremitus. It's increased in consolidation and reduced in pneumothorax.
8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8.
Okay, thank you.
OSCEs is a medical education platform that is student-focused. We have several programs that are dedicated to medical students from year 1 to year 6. We have online question banks, that is OSCE question banks, history-taking question banks, MCQs. We also have programs for KMPDC students who are foreign trained, and we also have programs for medical officers undertaking the postgraduate exams. Our core values are reflected in our motto, which is Docendo Decimus, which is by teaching, we learn. If you want to learn more about us, follow us on our channels in YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, and look at our dedicated website for more.